Guys, thanks very much for joining me today for this Fight Fitness episode. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite kicks. It's the side kick. I also call it the giant killer. And the reason why I say that is because when someone's moving in at you, doesn't matter if they're small, if they're big, whatever size they are, you can literally slay the giant with this kick. It is a phenomenal kick, lots of power, lots of stopping power, which is what you need. And you can use it offensively or defensively. So the side kick, the best way to set it up is from a modified guard position. So I'm here in my modified guard position, all my weight's on my back leg. I chamber my knee in tight and I extend my leg out into the kick. The way that you generate power in this kick, there's two ways. One is just directly from your hip. Get that butt into action, you pull that knee in fast, and you extend it fast out. The main thing that you want to try to do when you kick is when you land the kick, you gotta recoil. So it's like a snake. The snake goes out, pow, hits, and it comes back after the strike. If you leave that leg there, you're not gonna get as much power out of the strike because your muscles aren't snapping, and you want that snapping action into it. So here, and pull it back, okay? The other way that you can get power out of this is by using a sliding motion. So you slide your feet together. This is a little bit more intermediate. And then once you slide your feet together, you can kick. And then the more advanced way to do this is from a pull. So as I pull my knee in, I'm actually scooting my foot forward or hopping my foot forward here. When I hop my foot forward, I'm getting closer and then I'm extending. And I'm getting lots of power. Those are all offensive. But what if you have somebody coming in at you? You want to stop them. Pretty simple. You step away and you kick. So if I had somebody coming in fast at me, I'm step back, get my range, and throw out that kick. Guys, I've stopped many people with this kick before in my MMA matches, and have even used this kick to basically launch the girl onto the floor so I could follow up. This is an amazing kick, and I know you're going to enjoy it.